Meaning of chapter. Chapter is a noun that usually means a section of a book. It can also mean a period or stage in life, history, or events. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. I just finished reading the first chapter of the novel. 2. This chapter is about World War II. 3. Each chapter has a summary at the end. 4. Turn to chapter 5 for the next topic. 5. That experience was a tough chapter in my life. 6. College life is a new chapter for her. 7. We started a new chapter in our relationship. 8. The chapter begins with an interesting story. 9. He read a chapter every night before bed. 10. They are closing a chapter and starting fresh.